Hello students, welcome to ASL class. Read the exercise given below, listen to the text and then answer the questions. The main idea conveyed by the report is that our children do not get a chance to enjoy learning at school because the syllabus are irrationally organized. Teaching is textbook centered and the system of examination instills fear. An encouraged system of examination instills fear. An encouraged mechanical repetition. Textbooks developed along the lines of recapitalization syllabus can attempt to integrate positive values, life skills, aesthetic sensibility, and concern for the environment. They are interactive and make a conscious effort to point both children and the teachers towards other sources of learning such as neighborhood, nature, etc. In addition, two parallel challenges deserve attention. The first is examination reforms. Rigid indifference to individual differences in the major flaw of the present system. From the quality of questions to the manner of evaluation, it favors drilled preparedness and ignores independent thought, while the unrealistically high cutoffs is coveted college are a further sign of systematic inefficiency. It is hardly surprising that the very thought of examination makes the young depressed. Moreover, practices of splitting unified topics into arbitrary bits carrying small marks value encourage teachers to concentrate on scoring topics, overlooking the importance of perspective and overall understanding. Little surprise that many elite high fee schools are opting for international, not because it offers status but its globalization certification, but for its flexibility and respect for individual differences in learning. The second area is teaching training, which suffers from absolute notion. Most teachers are trained mainly to cover the syllabus in a mechanical exam oriented manner by insisting that every child move at the same pace in all subject. Teachers encourage rote learning and ridicule for those who fall behind. Teachers training, whether for nursery or secondary school, teachers should be embedded in courses which have the capacity to develop both the teacher's personality and perspective on society by linking subject learning with reflective and creative project work. The ultimate responsibility lies with university and institutes of higher learning to ensure the quality of all teachers. Initiatives to improve the content of teacher training courses will ensure utilization of desolate university campuses during summer vacation, which conceal an enormous waste of infrastructure. The quality of education is a reflection of the quality of teachers, and major improvement in their training and working conditions will motivate the young to pursue a teaching career and determine how India fares in the pursuit of economic and social development in the years to come. Thank you.